Hello everyone, myself Sandeep K, faculty of Chandrakant Patil Public School, Kalburgi, and I am from Mathematics Department. In the previous video session 6, we have discussed about estimation concept and examples related to addition. I also gave you worksheet 6. Hope you all solved the problems based on estimation. Today's topic I want to continue once again estimation, but how will do difference in the estimation. Let us go to the topic in detail. We already know the concept of difference. That is, the first term is called minuend and the second term is called subtrahend. And when we do the subtraction operation by minus operator, we will get the answer and that result is called as difference. But here we have to round off and then we have to perform the subtraction. So let us see the definition. Estimating difference. Estimating difference can be done by rounding off the given numbers to the nearest tens, hundreds or thousands as required and then subtracting the rounded numbers. In the previous video session of estimation, I have explained you how to round off to nearest tens, hundreds and thousand place. Now you can see the first example. Estimate the difference of 73 minus 28. Solution. To estimate the difference, we shall round off the number to the nearest tens place and then subtract them. Here I have taken two-digit number system, that is 73 minus 28. As you can see, 73, the highest place is tens, and you have to check the immediate right, that is we are having 3, that is less than 5. So we have to round down the value. So instead of 73, we have to write 70. Next 28. Here also you can see the highest place is tens. But when I check the right side of the number, which is 8, which is more than 5. So we have to round up the value. Instead of 28, when we round up, it will become 30. So we have to perform the subtraction to get the difference. You can see we have to subtract from right to left. 0 minus 0 will be 0 and 7 minus 3 will be 4. So therefore, after estimating, the difference is 40. Let us see the second example. Estimate the difference of 714 and 489. Solution. To estimate the difference, we shall round off the numbers to the nearest hundred place and then subtract them. Here I have taken 3-digit number system and the highest place will be 100. So let's see how to round off. Now 714 can be rounded down. It will become 700. As you can see, 7 is at 100 place and immediate right number is 1, which is less than 5. If it is less than 5, we have to round down the value. Instead of 714, I have to write 700. Second, 489. When we round up the value, it will become 500. But here also it is 3-digit number system and 4 is at highest place, that is 100, and we have to check the immediate right number. The right number is 8, which is more than 5. If it is more than 5, we have to round up the value. Instead of 489, we have to write 500. Let us see the difference and we have to solve from right to left. 0 minus 0 will be 0. 0 minus 0 will be 0. 7 minus 5 will be 2. Therefore, after estimating, the difference is 200. Let us see the third example. Estimate the difference of 5684 and 3252. Solution. To estimate the difference, we shall round off the numbers to the nearest thousand place and then subtract them. Here I have taken 4-digit number system and it is nothing but the highest value will be 1000. So let us see. 5684 can be rounded up to 6000. Here the highest place is 1000 and at 1000 place 5 is there. But we have to check the immediate right number. The right number is more than 5. If it is 5 or more than 5, we have to round up the value. Instead of 5684, I have to write 6000. Second, 3252. Here also the highest place is 1000. At 1000 place 3 is there. But the immediate next right number is 2, which is less than 5. If it is less than 5, we have to round down the value, that is 3000. Instead of 3252, we have to write 3000. Now let us see the difference. We have to solve from right to left. 0 minus 0 will be 0. 0 minus 0 will be 0. 0 minus 0 will be 0. And 6 minus 3 will be 3. Therefore, after estimating, the difference is 3000. Fourth example, estimate the difference of 8754 and 625. To estimate the difference, we shall round off the numbers to its highest place and then subtract them. Here I have taken two different digits, that is, one I have taken 4 digits and another I have taken 3-digit number system. So, which number is less digits, for that number we have to round off. As you can see here, 8754. Here the highest place is 1000. But here we have to round off for the 100 place. That is, the next immediate number is 7 and we have to round off from 800. So it will become 8800. And the second is 625. It can be rounded to 600. As you can see, the highest place is 100 and the next immediate right number is 2, which is less than 5. So we have to round down the value. Instead of 625, we have to write 600 and we have to perform the subtraction. Now 0 minus 0 will be 0. 0 minus 0 will be 0. 8 minus 6 will be 2. And 8 here down, no number are there. So you have to keep 8 as it is. Therefore, after estimating the difference, the answer will be 8200. Let us go through some statement problems based on estimating difference. First question. Nidhi is reading a book that contains 845 pages. She has read 255 pages. About how many pages are unread? Solution given. Number of pages in book, that is 845, which is to be rounded. Now you can see here 845, only 3 digits are there. So the highest place is 100 and at 100 place 8 is there. But we have to check the next right number, which is 4 and it is less than 5. If it is less than 5, we have to round down the value. Instead of 845, we have to write 800. Number of pages read from book, that is 255. Here also 3 digits are there. The highest place is 100. At 100 place 2 is there. But we have to check the next number, that is 5. And 5, if it is the number is 5 or more than 5, we have to round up the value. That is, instead of 255, I have to write 300. And therefore we have to perform the subtraction from right to left. 0 minus 0 will be 0. 0 minus 0 will be 0. 8 minus 3 is nothing but 5. Therefore, the unread pages from book are 500. Let us see the second example. There are 5932 apples in a store. 1293 apples are sold by the end of the day. About how many apples are left in the store by the end of the day? So here also I have taken 4-digit number system and we have to perform the subtraction. Number of apples in the store, that is 5932. We have to round up the value. That is, here 4 digits are there and the highest place is 1000. But we have to check the immediate right number, that is 9. 9 is more than 5. So we have to round up the value. Instead of 5,932, we have to write 6,000. Number of apples sold in a day, 1,293. Here also the highest place is 1,000 and the immediate number is 2, which is less than 5. So we have to round down the value. Instead of 1,293, we have to write 1,000 and we have to perform the subtraction from right to left. 0 minus 0 will be 0. 0 minus 0 will be 0. 0 minus 0 is once again 0 and 6 minus 1 will be 5. Therefore, apple left in the store are 5,000. Hope you all enjoyed today's concept based on estimating difference. Based on that video 7, I gave you worksheet 7 with 4 questions. Try to solve them, preserve them and get back to school when you are coming. Thank you all viewers and learners. Have a wonderful day.